Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Cell phones and selfies. It's what teenagers know. It's what teenagers do.
You just have to be careful what you post and what you send to other people.
About 2 months ago, 18-year-old Colleen Speckman felt victimized, violated, when she found a provocative photo of herself on the internet, posted by a former high school classmate who she declined several times to go on a date with.
He shows me one of the pictures, and it's me covering my breast, and I was grossed out. I said, "How did you get this picture? I didn't even send this to you."
He did not provide further explanation. The site it was on is run out of another country. Users can search images by state and high school. Several central Indiana schools are on there. Users swap photos of current and former students like trading cards.
You can name any foreign country, and these sites are there. As far as being able to restrict them or take the content down, next to impossible.
Foreign countries are not obligated to cooperate with U.S. law enforcement. Adding to her frustration, Colleen is finding it difficult to pursue legal action against her perpetrator.
Indiana doesn't have a specific revenge porn law.
Attorney Alex Beeman works with the Cyber Civil Rights Initiative. He says Indiana is not one of the 38 states that have laws explicitly prohibiting the sharing of private photos. But that does not mean victims are without recourse.
Most of the context and circumstances I've gotten fit under the current criminal scheme, but it would be very helpful, obviously, if Indiana passed something that addressed it maybe more specifically.
We never want to further victimize the victim by saying this is your fault. But what we can do is use her experience to educate others.
I'm still embarrassed about this. This is something I still feel very uncomfortable talking, but if I can have a fact that if I could stand up and show people that they're not alone, then I will tell my story.
That's good. That's good.
Colleen and her friends are off to college this week, but she leaves refusing to be a victim. She's done hiding from her circumstance. She's done running. She hopes other girls will be done too. Colleen is currently working with attorneys seeking punishment for her perpetrator. In the meantime, her goal is education and awareness. Parents, be aware and talk to your kids about these issues. Teens, police say, be careful and think long and hard about taking and posting racy photos. If you are a victim, the Cyber Civil Rights Initiative has a lot of good resources for you on their website. We've posted a link on theindychannel.com. Chance Walser, RTV6.